Welcome to the Orbitalum Studio. Today, we are going to learn more about creating favorite programs in the Weld library. When used, the operator can quickly review and load their favorite welding programs, allowing for easier library navigation and faster program changes. Let's take a look at how to use this on the power supply. In the main menu, select Program Manager and highlight the procedure you would like to make a favorite. Press Manage, select the program, and press Add to Favorites. Then cancel to leave the menu. If you open your Favorites folder, you will now see the procedure in there for easy access. To remove it from the list, simply follow the process again and select Remove from Favorites. To learn more about this and our other features and products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.